Good morning.
Good morning.
Where are we? What is going on here? Hi, Jerry.
Get off my lawn!
Yes. Oh, what's up, everybody? This is Nate, and we are testing out our new setup. And we are very lucky to be at the Goshen Theater. And this is our friend Sarah Hogg.
Hello.
From the Ted Yoder Band. She's going to be joining us on these weird cylinders. So here we go with our big experiment. Hey Simon, can you give me a boost? I was happy with your overall level. I meant like a solo boost. What do you think, Sarah?
It's fine.
I know you're playing like that song for like a million hours. Like,
Hey, this is chops right here. Yeah. You know how long it's been since I've used these muscles?
It does sound very
cool.
different.
Yeah, it does.
Like a PA, like, boom.
Right.
But,
But you can still hear everything clearly, right?
right, yeah.
I think it's actually pretty balanced.
I think I might
Still more guitar?
I think your solo level was good. I think the rest of it didn't come out.
Still a little bit.
But also it's a little hard to tell.
How can you hear down there? Are you hearing okay? Like, as far as hearing what you want to hear?
Yeah, honestly, it's really fine.
Yeah. I think, yeah, your guitars, we don't want to be too quiet. But then they're also. Yeah, right?
I said, I think the problem is I'm always afraid of them being too loud.
Yeah.
I think I might be drowning you out next time.
Yeah, I think somewhere between where you were last
I think
time.
it's partly like each song kind of pushes more than other ones a little bit.
If you were at 6 and you're at 6.5 now, you should go to 6.
So, Amber, if you want to swap your bass for Acoustimass. I know, Colin, it's really bad. It's a disease I have.
It's really terrible.
It's awful. Yay! Amber's winning the award today for the most tangled strap. It's a contest that the whole band has. Simon keeps his on, so I think that's cheating, but. This world is dragging me down. Oh, darling. It was over. Well, no, but I feel like you and Simon are both like down, and then I'm like wondering if we're all flowers and Sarah now.
Right, it's like how do you stay in the
right in the sweet spot. So I'm gonna try to turn my pedal down just a little bit more. Because my thing is like, oh, I'd love for my guitar to sound that volume. But if it's like starting to make the drums sound small and wimpy out there, which it will do, then yeah, I want them to be the big thump.
I know there's hits on 2 and 4 at the beginning, but I can't remember where it transitions. It's really obvious. There's kind of 2 main hooks. It'll probably come back to me.
Not enough for you,
oh.
At this point, what do you think, Simon?
I thought the balance sounded way better that time.
Cool. Right. I just think like we all knew that my guitar was too loud, right?
Yeah.
So that's the trick, and that's the thing I like about it is like I don't have to wait for some sound guy to figure it out. What do you think, Simon?
I'm excited. I think it's more fun to play when you're like balanced and
right.
based on like what you're actually hearing instead of just being like, I think this is how loud I play because this is what our monitor says.
Right.
So it's fun. It feels
more in touch with what everyone's hearing and
right, and like playing in an ensemble instead of like playing in a band, which doesn't carry.
That sounds really funny to say, but I get exactly what you mean by that. So that was fun. Had a great time. After debriefing with Sarah and Amber and Simon, it seemed like things worked really well. We were all pretty happy with the results. I think it's going to be a lot of fun to be able to go into different venues and kind of bring that setup. So fingers crossed. We actually have places to play this summer that aren't struggling with the after effects of the pandemic, and we can actually get out and have some fun and get some people together without having to worry too much about getting people sick. We'll see. In the meantime, thanks for joining us, and we hope to see you real soon. Peace.